Hello everybody. It's been forever since I've done anything interesting enough to make a video of. Go do a little something different this time. It's December 22nd, it's about 40 degrees. Relatively warm for around here and the time of year it is. I like to start my lawn equipment at least once a month in the wintertime, keep everything moving, if it has gas in it. It's the way I've always done it. Never really had a problem. So we'll do some cold starts here. As you can see, she's got oil. Because if you let the gas sit in the carburetor over the winter, that's when you run into issues. But if you keep it moving, you'll be okay. I got some gas here. This is a Craftsman LT 1000, 17.5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton from (2003), I think. 03, isn't that the date? Correct. Anyway, let's see if it'll start. This mower hasn't been started in probably close to 2 months. I like to start them, keep charging the battery, keep everything moving, you know. So let's see what she does. Always depend on your craftsman. Okay, now let's go for a ride and do a quick function check. Sounds good. You can always depend on your craftsman. That baby hadn't been started in about a month and a half, 2 months. Started right up. Okay, so let's try something else now. Okay, now we'll try the Maruyama VL32 handheld blower. This hasn't been started for 2 or 3 months also. I've already got it primed. I got my choke set. This is only a couple of years old. I bought it summer before last, maybe. It's very low hours. I don't use it much. Let's see what she does. Blow the crud out of her. Wow, didn't expect that. Usually this stuff is cold-natured. I did not expect that leaf blower to start so easy. Next we have the Maruyama BC200 Weed Whacker. I believe this piece is from around 1991 maybe, from the serial number. That's a guess, I'm not sure. We'll give it a go, see what she does. I'll get it primed and set up and we'll give it a yank. Be right back. Now it's recording. There she goes, purring like a kitten. Take care of your lawn equipment, it'll take care of you. That thing's kind of contrary to start, so I didn't video that. I didn't figure anybody wanted to see me futzing with the choke and giving it a bunch of pulls. But it still only took about 8 or 10 pulls, which ain't bad for that, considering it hasn't been started in 2 months. Anyways, Craftsman, she ran out of gas sitting up there, so won't have to worry about it gumming up the carburetor, because the gas is out of it. So we'll let this thing run a few minutes and we'll go on to what probably everybody wants to see. The 1968 Snapper riding mower. Here we go, the part everybody's been waiting for. 1968 Snapper riding mower. I'm probably not going to take this one out. It's going to be a bit of a bear to get out of here because I got my snow thrower and it kind of wedged in the edge of the shed. Now the snow thrower, if it's a Tecumseh engine, drain the gas out of it. Tecumseh carburetors will gum up super quick. If it's a Briggs, I usually just leave them and start them once every other month or so. See, my generator, it's a Tecumseh too, so it's drained to gas. We won't be starting those today. This will be the last old start, cold start for the day. So let's check her out. Plenty of Earl. Dripping it all over my engine. That's nice, ain't it? Gas. We got a little bit down in there. Should be enough to start her. This is full start only, so I'm not worried about letting it run for any amount of time. So anyways, being a new engine on an old Snapper, it's backwards. And while I'm in here, I'll show you how to date these things. Thanks to a gentleman who posted on one of my other videos, who told me how the date codes on these lawnmowers work. Now the engine will have its own code. As you can see, the first 2 numbers are 14. This engine is from 2014. Of course, this is at least the 3rd engine on this lawnmower. If you want to date your Snapper, go on your code down here on your serial number. And if you look at that first digit, it's an 8. That dates this as a 1968. This was Grandpa's mower. Let's see if she'll start. Let me pause this. There we go. You can always depend on your Snapper mower. Took about 5 more good yanks to get her going. We'll let that run a few minutes and she should be good for another month or 2. Thanks for watching. More to come later.